DOOGEE. In front of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this DOOGEE. Firstly, access calendar and tap on the month above. Now you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create your event by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here, select event and adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Scroll down, pick starting hour over here and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on this switcher next to all day and disable this feature completely. Then click on Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, select Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, select Add Location over here, type in an address and click on the correct one. Then set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before and even take notes. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always make some changes by clicking on it, choosing this pin icon at the top right corner and changing wherever you wish to. I will go with 2 notifications and maybe some title changes. To save them, you need to click on Save at the top right corner. If you wish to discard them, click on this X icon at the top left one. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to click on it again, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner instead, choose Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!